Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Renault symbol, and in this car have a problem in AC, air condition not working. So when I start car and on AC fuse short. So today I will show you where is the AC fuse and relay location. Okay, so in this car one fuse box is here, but there is no AC fuse for AC in the front side. Here you can see this relay for AC, this relay for AC, and this fuse for AC. You can see here this is short inside, see this one. So this fuse for AC and this relay for AC. Okay, this is AC relay and this is AC fuse. When I fix any fuse is short, that means there is some wiring issue. Okay, thank you.